Hover effects can give your site a whole new interactive look. Let's focus on doing this for the navbar. But first, let's take our styles and put them into a separate page. To do so, go into your VS Code folder, click on the Add page, and type in styles.css. You can cut and paste your current style from the HTML page into the CSS page. Delete your style tags, and then enter a link tag into the head of the main page. Make your href equal to styles.css and the rel equal to style sheet. Now you have access to all the styles you put into your styles.css page. Let's set up a quick navbar. We can give it links of about, blog, products, and contact. Let's make it a little more interesting with some styling. When you currently hover over the links, they don't do much except for the pointer hand. We can give it a little spice. To change the anchor tags when we hover, we simply can add the hover pseudo class. Let's change the text color to cyan. Now, look at the change when you hover over the links. That's pretty nice, but we could do more. Let's make the text pop a bit with transform scale 1.2. That's better, but we can do even more. Let's try it with a text shadow. The offset is 2 pixels to the right, 2 pixels down, and a blur of 3 pixels with the color black. Yes! That looks really good, but it seems pretty quick of a transition, right? Let's use the animation property. In order for it to work well, we need to set up what is called keyframes to make the animation happen. Type in keyframes and give it a name like nav hover. In the brackets, we can cut and paste what we had in the A hover CSS and simply type the starting position of 2. Now, we just type in the keyframe's name, add a duration of 0.2 seconds, give it a flow of ease in, and most importantly, add forwards on the end so that it doesn't reset the animation at the beginning. How do you like that for a navbar?